This is number 85 in our Chapter 5 review, where we're asked to multiply these radicals and write our answer in simplest radical form. So in this case, we're multiplying a fourth root by a third root. And we learned that when you're multiplying radicals that have different roots, what you have to do first is convert them to rational exponents. So we remember that in a rational exponent, the root is always the denominator, and the exponent on the number under the radical is always the numerator. Well, since that's 3 to the 1, so our numerator of our rational exponent is 1. In our second radical, we know that when you've got a radical that doesn't have a number in its crook, then that's a square root. So this would be 3 to the 1 over 2 power. When you're multiplying like bases, we know that we add those exponents together. So we'll get 3 to the 1/4 plus 1/2. But to add exponents, we need common denominators, which would be 2. So we'll multiply top and bottom of the second fraction by 2. Common denominator would be 4, And so we'll multiply the top and bottom of the second fraction by 2 to get a 4 in our denominator. 3 to the 1/4 plus 2/4 power is 3 to the 3/4 power. But whenever we start with radicals, even though we had to convert them to rational exponents in order to combine them, we always want to take it back to a radical. So this will be the fourth root, because of the denominator of our rational exponent being 4, of 3 to the numerator, which is 3. And that ends up being fourth root of 27.